Web strap replacement. To replace a web strap on a Lug-All manual ratchet winch hoist, you'll need a 1/8 inch punch, a hammer, a 3/16 inch hex wrench for medium frame units, or a 5/32 inch hex wrench, old models, or Phillips-Head Screwdriver, new models, for small frame units. To begin, pull out the full length of the web strap to expose the drum locking pin. Use the 1/8 inch punch and hammer to remove the roll pin from the wind-up wheel and discard the roll pin. Use the 1/8 inch punch and hammer to remove the drum locking pin and discard. Remove the drum shaft, U-frame assembly, and drum from the hoist mainframe. Use the 3/16 inch hex wrench, 5/32 inch hex wrench, or Phillips-Head Screwdriver to remove the drum anchor screw. And remove the web strap from the drum and pull through the web guide. Use the 1/8 inch punch and hammer to remove the roll pin from the web end assembly. Remove the web end assembly shaft and remove the web strap from the pulley block assembly. With the web guide side of the mainframe facing up, insert the tag-free end of the new strap through the web guide with the Lug-All lettering facing up. Turn the mainframe over. With the drum teeth facing down, align the drum anchor hole with the web strap loop. Make sure that the fold-back side of the web strap stitching faces the hub of the drum. Reinsert the drum anchor screw through the anchor hole in the drum and loop in the strap. Tighten with the 3/16 inch hex wrench, 5/32 inch hex wrench, or Phillips-Head Screwdriver until it is snug. Then, turn an additional 1/4 turn to secure properly. Return the drum and U-frame assembly into the mainframe. Next, insert the drum shaft through the mainframe, U-frame assembly, and drum. Install a new roll pin through the drum locking pinhole and the drum shaft through hole. The roll pin should be equally recessed on both sides of the drum. To return the wind-up wheel to the drum shaft, partially insert a new roll pin and place it on the drum shaft. Lock it in place by driving the pin through the drum shaft. The roll pin should be flush with the surface of the wind-up wheel. Keep tension on the web strap and wind most of the new web strap onto the drum. Slide the pulley block onto the web strap. Place the safety tag end of the new web strap into the web end assembly and insert the web end shaft through the web end assembly and web strap loop. Finally, lock the web end assembly shaft in place with a new roll pin. The roll pin should be flush with the surface of the web end assembly.